Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to give you a quick video if you're doing your own maintenance. Could be oil change, could be a service interval or maintenance interval on your Volkswagen Atlas. So this is the 2021 model, should be compatible for 2018 to 2022, perhaps even newer models. To reset, once again, reset your maintenance alert light if you're due for scheduled maintenance, as well as your oil light. So hopefully this video helps you if you're do it yourself to go about doing that. Here it's real quick. You want to put your four ways on, so make sure those are flashing there. And I'll have to drop the camera here for a second, but you want to hold on your odometer, hold that down, and then do not start your car, but just push the accessory mode on your start stop button here. So I'll do that real quick here. So once again, hold this down with the four ways on, and then just push this once without your foot on the brake to enable the accessory mode. So I'll do that real quick. And you will see, if you keep holding it down, it's got the reset oil change and then reset inspection interval. So whichever one you want to do, you just let go quick and then you push it again. So I will do this again real quick to show you, for example, the oil reset interval, which is what I'm doing today. And then I had the maintenance one at 50. So the same protocol is the same, or procedure is the same. So once again, hold this down, push the accessory, it'll pop up, and you just click it again. So I let go, push it, you can see service interval was reset. That was for the oil, and the same thing is for your scheduled maintenance. So if you just hold it down a little bit longer like I showed you before, and then do that same sequence where you let go and then push it again, that'll reset it. So I'll show that real quick as well. Turn the car off. So oil's reset right now. We're gonna hold this down, we're gonna start it again. That same service will come up again here. So oil change first, we did that already, and then inspection, let go, push it again, and you can see your service interval was reset. So if you have that indication that your light for service comes on, that should take care of it. But also make sure you get your service done as well. So anyways guys, hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.